Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain matrices and determinants, case set previous year questions, part 5. So now explain question number 1 from 2011. One 2 by 2 matrix is given, then we have to find A into A dash. A into A transpose. So what is A given? Cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta cos theta into transpose of A. So this transpose of A is cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. So this will be, first we have to multiply 2 by 2 matrix and 2 by 2 matrix. Result will be 2 by 2 matrix. First row multiply with first column, cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1. Right, cos square theta plus sin square theta. And first row multiply with second column, cos theta minus sin theta plus sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Okay, next. And second row multiply with first column, minus sin theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta. And second row multiply with second column, sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. Cos square plus sin square 1, 0. Get cancelled. This get cancelled, 0, 1. So result will be unit matrix. First option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2011. One 3 by 3 matrix is given and this matrix is singular matrix. Then the value of x. If A is singular matrix, then that will be 0. So what is the formula? If matrix A is singular, then that of A is equal to 0. And second formula, if matrix A is non-singular, then that A not equal to 0. Okay, clear? In this statement, this matrix is singular given. Therefore, by using first formula, that A is equal to 0. So that of 1, 2, minus 1, 1, x minus 2, 1, x 1, 1, this will be 0. So let us do expand, plus minus plus, plus 1 into, so that of this value x minus 2, minus 1, minus 2 times of 1 minus x, minus 1 time of 1 minus x into x minus 2. This will be 0. Now our target is x value. This is x minus 3. This is minus 2 plus 2x. So minus 1 minus into 1 minus x square plus 2x. This continuation, x plus 2x 3x, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. This minus 1 multiply to these all terms, minus 1 plus x square minus 2x. Therefore x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, now factors x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. So x will be common, minus 2 will be common. Now we got x values minus 3 and plus 2. So which option is correct? First option is correct. So x is equal to 2 or minus 3. Let us go to the next problem. So this is from 2011. A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, which one of the following is not true. Okay, first option, A plus B symmetry, A minus B symmetry, AB plus BA symmetry, AB minus BA symmetry. Okay. So by using option verification, option 1, Let us take option 1, A plus B symmetry. So let us take P is equal to A plus B. Now taking transpose on both sides, P transpose is equal to A plus B whole transpose. This will be A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, clear? But from statement what are given? A and B are symmetric matrices are given. So A and B are symmetric matrices. A transpose is equal to given, B transpose is equal to B given. Given. So where A transpose, B transpose, place and write AB. This is nothing but A plus B. So A plus B, which is equal to B, which is equal to P. So P transpose is equal to P. Therefore A plus B symmetric, first option is correct. First option correct. But our target is which is not true. Which is not true. Okay. Next, second, A minus B is symmetric. A minus B. So let us take option 2. Let Q is equal to A minus B. Now taking transpose on both sides, Q transpose is equal to A minus B whole transpose. This will be A transpose minus B transpose. This is equal to A minus B. This is equal to Q. So Q transpose is equal to Q, therefore Q is also symmetric. So second option also correct. Let us take third option, AB plus BA. Option 3. So R is equal to AB plus BA. Now taking transpose on both sides, R transpose of R is equal to AB plus BA whole transpose. This will be AB transpose plus BA transpose. AB transpose plus BA transpose. So this will be AB transpose. We know that AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. So this formula BA transpose means A transpose B transpose. So this will be BA plus AB. So this is nothing but R. So R transpose is equal to R. Therefore R is symmetric matrix. So option 3 also correct. So which is not true? Option 4 is not true. So option 4 is not true. So correct answer is, in this statement correct answer is fourth option. So now let us take option 4 also. Let us take S is equal to AB minus BA. Now taking transpose on both sides, S transpose is equal to AB minus BA whole transpose. So this will be AB transpose minus BA transpose. Okay. So this is nothing but, okay, continuation, AB minus BA whole transpose. So AB transpose minus BA transpose. This will be B transpose into A transpose into B transpose. But from statement what is given? AB or symmetric matrices are given. So B transpose place in right B, A minus AB. In this one minus 1 take out common, AB minus BA. Q transpose is equal to minus Q. So this is S, sorry. So S transpose is equal to minus S. S transpose is equal to minus S, therefore S is Q symmetric matrix. But in statement, fourth option what is given? S is option 4. S is symmetric matrix is given. So this option is not true. This is not true. Option 4 is not true. So look at the next question. This is from 2011. Omega is an imaginary cube root of unity. We know that sum of roots 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. and product of roots 1 into omega square, that is nothing but omega cube. Omega cube is equal to 1. These two formulae very very important. Now by using, so let us do simplify according to that method. 1 into omega square minus omega into this value plus minus omega square into, okay, omega square into omega cube minus 1 into 1 plus omega power 5 plus 1 minus omega power 4 into omega square minus 1. Okay, omega square minus this omega multiplied to 1 plus omega power 5 minus omega power 6 minus omega square. This omega square multiplied to this value, this terms, omega square into omega cube omega power 5 minus into minus plus, so omega square into this value omega power 7. 1 minus omega power 4, this value 1 multiplied with omega square minus 1, omega square minus 1 minus omega power 4 multiplied with this value. Okay, clear? Omega square minus omega power 6. In this omega cube value 1, omega power 6 means omega cube whole square. So 1 square this is. Omega power 5. This omega power 5 can be written as omega cube into omega square. So omega square. Omega power 7. This can be written as omega power 6 into omega. Omega square minus 1 minus omega power 6. This value also omega cube whole square. This value 1. Omega cube into omega. Okay, now omega square minus omega minus 1. This is omega cube value 1 minus omega square plus omega square. Omega power 6 also 1 plus omega square minus 1. Omega cube value 1, this is minus 1. Omega cube value 1 into omega. In this omega square get cancelled. Okay, clear? Omega square plus omega square 2 omega square. So minus omega plus omega get cancelled. So minus 1 minus 3 and 1 omega. Omega plus omega minus 3. So options what are given? Minus 4, omega square minus 4, omega square minus 4, omega square 4. So by using omega formula, okay, 2 omega square, omega value. From this equation omega value, omega is equal to 1 plus omega square, bring the right side. So omega value, we got it minus 1 minus omega square, omega value from this equation, minus 3. So this value will be 2 omega square minus omega square, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, omega square minus 4. So which option? Second option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. We have to find this delta of 3 by 3. So this is question from 2011. So options 0, 1 and sign combination 1 option, and fourth also sign combination. First by using sin A plus B formula. Sin A plus B, sin A plus B, sin A plus B. First write sin alpha, cos alpha. So by using sin A plus B formula, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. So similarly, second row also sin beta cos beta. So sin beta plus gamma, we have sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Next row sin gamma cos gamma, sin gamma plus delta, sin gamma cos delta plus cos gamma sin delta. So by using that property, one det can be expressed as sum of two dets. Okay, sin alpha, cos alpha. In this, we should take sin alpha cos beta, and second row sin beta cos beta, sin beta cos gamma, cos delta. In third row sin gamma cos gamma, sin gamma cos delta, plus this is plus. Okay, let us take sin alpha cos alpha and next element, next number, sin alpha cos alpha sin delta. Okay, this is going to be next sin beta cos beta sin delta. So second elements, sin gamma cos gamma and sin gamma cos gamma and cos gamma sin delta. Okay, clear? In this one cos delta take out common. In third column cos delta take out common. Sin alpha sin beta sin gamma, sin alpha sin beta sin gamma. In this C1 C3 first column last column equal. So therefore cos delta into let us observe first and last column, sin alpha sin beta sin gamma, sin alpha sin beta sin gamma. If first and last, if any two columns are equal, this det will be 0. So into 0 plus in the second det sin delta, one sin delta common in third column. So cos alpha cos, let us observe second column and third column, cos alpha cos beta cos gamma. This is also cos alpha cos beta cos gamma. If any two rows or columns are equal, that will be 0. So sin delta take out common. So remaining value 0. So answer is 0. Option 1 correct. So look at the next question. This is from 2010. One 2 by 2 matrix as well as condition is given. Then find out x and y. Okay. So two methods are there. One method is according to PU model. First of all, we have to find a square and x into a plus y into I. That is PU model. Second model is by using characteristic equation form. Characteristic equation. We know that the characteristic equation of A is equal to mod det of, this is det of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Det of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. From the statement, what is A given? 3211 minus lambda times of unit matrix, lambda 0 0 lambda is equal to 0. So let us do simplify this value. 3 minus lambda, 2, 1 and 1 minus lambda. This will be equal to 0. So according to 2 by 2 det, AD minus BC formula, 3 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. So after simplification, this value 3 minus lambda minus 3 lambda plus lambda square minus 2 equal to 0. So lambda square minus this is 4 lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. One important theorem is there, Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Okay. Every square matrix satisfied its characteristic equation. Every square matrix satisfied its characteristic equation. So this is called Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So lambda relation, we should write what is square matrix is given A. So A square minus 4A plus 1 written as I. Since lambda is equal to A. So given equation, let us take equation 1. What is, we got it, this is equation 2. On comparing equation 1 and equation 2, a square, their lambda x is equal to -4 and y is equal to 1. Okay, where x, y values are a and I coefficients, so -4 and 1. Therefore x is equal from 1 to equations. X is equal to -4, y is equal to 1. So option 1 is correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2010. The constant term of the polynomial. Our target is constant term. For constant term, let us take x is equal to 0. Let us take x is equal to 0. So this will be 3, 1, 3, 0, 2, expression 0 substitute, 0, 1, -1, 2, 0, 1. So this will be plus minus plus 3 into 1, 0 into anything 0 plus 2 times of 0 minus 2. So this will be 3 minus 4 is equal to -1. Option 3 correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2010. A and B are two square matrices of same order and AB is equal to B, BA is equal to A given. Then we have to find A square plus B square. So A square plus B square is equal to, now this is going to be A square. A square can be written as A into A, B square place and write B into B. So A into, this A would be right. What is A value given? Since A is equal to BA given. Okay, one A place and write BA. B into one B place and we should write B is equal to AB. AB. Now matrix multiplication satisfied associative property. So this is nothing but AB of A and BA of B. So AB place in we should write AB place in B and BA place in A. So BA is nothing but A, AB is nothing but B. So A square plus B square is equal to A plus B. Second option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2010 question. A is 3 by 3 non-singular matrix and det of A is equal to given. Then we have to find det of 2A whole inverse. Okay, clear? So our target is det of 2A whole inverse. We know that det P inverse is equal to det P whole inverse. Am I clear? So det of 2A whole inverse is equal to det of 2A whole inverse. According to that formula. This det of 2A is constant. Constant power -1 is equal to 1 by constant. We have det of Ka is equal to K to the power n into det A, where n is order of the matrix. Order of A. Okay, clear? In this det of Ka, det of 2A, this can be written as 2 power n into det of A. 2 power n value given 3 by 3 matrix. So n is equal 3 by 3. So n, this is order of square matrix. N by n is equal to 3 by 3. Therefore n is equal to 3. So 2 power 3 into det A value given 3. So this will be 1 by 8 3 is 24. Option 4 correct. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 1 in 2009. So A1 3 by 3 matrix is given. We have to find det of adjoint A. Det of adjoint A. Det of adjoint A is equal to det A power n minus 1. Where n is, this is 3 by 3 matrix. Therefore n is equal to 3. Okay, clear? First we have to find det A. So already A given. Det A is equal to plus minus plus 2 into 4 minus 0 minus 1 time of 0 minus 1. This will be 8 plus 1, 9. So det A value 9. Now our target is det of adjoint A. This will be det A power n minus 1 whole, n minus 1, where n value 3, 3 minus 1. Already det A value, we got it 9. 9 power 2, this is equal to 81. Option 4 correct. So now explain this question from 2009. What is given? Det is equal to 0 given. Then ABCR. So options GP, geometric progression, arithmetic progression, arithmetic geometric progression, and harmonic progression. This type of problems by using substitution. So let us take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. Where 1, 2, 3 are in AP. Where A, B, C are in AP. Then find the det value. So let us do simplify. X plus 1, X plus 2. Where A place and write 1. X plus 2, X plus 3, X plus 2, X plus 3, X plus 4, X plus 3. This det will be 0. Why? Because first column, according to det property, if any two columns are equal, that will be 0. In this case, C1, C3 equal. C1 equal to C3. So this det will be 0. So if A, B, C are in AP, this det will be 0. Option 2 correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2009. So this det value will be, options are 0, 1, XYZ and log XYZ given. So we have one formula, log A base B is equal to log A by log B. What is the formula? Log A base B is equal to log A by log B. So by using that formula, log Y base X, log Y by log X, log Z base X, log Z by log X. Now this is going to be 1. This 1 can be written as log X by log X. So remaining by using formula log Y by log X, log Z by log X. In second row also same, log X base Y. According to this formula, log X by log Y, right? And 1 written as log Y by log Y. So this one, so first column, first row, first column element, right? Log X by log X. And second column, second row, second column element 1 replaced by, right? Log Y by log Y. So like this is log Z by log Y. Okay. In third row, log X by log Z, log Y by log Z. This one can be written as log Z by log Z. Okay, let us observe. In first row, 1 by log X common. In second row, 1 by log Y. In third row, 1 by log Z. So let us take common 1 by log X, 1 by log Y, 1 by log Z. So 1 by log X into 1 by log Y into 1 by log Z. This will be log X, log Y, log Z. And in second row also same, log X, log Y, log Z. In third row also same, log X, log Y, log Z. So if any two rows are equal, that will be 0. In this case, first row, second row, third row, 3 rows are equal. This that will be 0. So 0 into anything is 0. So option 1 correct. What is the det property? If any two rows or columns are equal, that will be 0. So by using det property, this value will be 0. Look at the next question. AB are square matrices of same order such that one condition is given, A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Then we have to find AB A inverse whole square. Let us do simplify this condition. A plus B into A minus B. First A multiply with A minus B. A into A square. A into minus B minus AB. This B multiply with A minus B. BA minus B square. is equal to a square minus b square. Both sides a square get cancelled as well as minus b square. Therefore, BA is equal to minus AB, bring the right side, plus AB. BA is equal to AB. We got it, AB is equal to BA. But our target is AB, A inverse. We have to find AB, A inverse, whole square. But AB value, we got it BA, A inverse. But A into A inverse, we know that A into A inverse is equal to I. Okay, clear? So B into I whole square. But B into I is equal to B. Therefore B square. Which option is correct? Option 1 is correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2009. One delta value equal to 0 given, then find out cos 4 theta. Now this delta going to be by using elementary operations. First column and second column, third column. So first column replaced by C1 plus C2. Column 1 plus column 2. So let us observe C1 plus C2. 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2. And sin square plus cos square plus 1. This value also 2. Sin square plus cos square value 1. Remaining right as it is. 1 plus cos square theta, 4 sin 2 theta. This is cos square theta, 4 sin 2 theta minus 1. Okay, this will be by using now row operation. So first row, second row. So R1 replaced by R1 minus R2. Why? Because 2 minus 2 0. 1 cos square theta get cancelled. 4 sin 2 theta get cancelled. So this will be 0. Cos square theta minus 1. This is minus 1. 0. 2 1 plus cos square theta. 4 sin 2 theta. 1 cos square theta. 4 sin 2 theta minus 1. Okay. 0 given. So let us do simplify. 0 into anything 0. So plus minus plus. So minus into minus plus 1 into 8 2 times of 2 into 4 sin 2 theta minus 1. Next minus 4 sin 2 theta. Okay. After this multiplication, 8 sin 2 theta minus 2 minus 4 sin 2 theta equal to 0. 8 sin 2 theta minus 4 sin 2 theta. This will be 4 sin 2 theta. Minus 2 bring the right side equal to 2. Therefore sin 2 theta equal to 2 by 4. This will be 1 by 2. Therefore 2 theta equal to 30 degrees. Sin 2 theta 1 by 2. 2 theta equal 1 by 2. What is required? Required is cos 4 theta. Cos 4 theta equal to cos 4 into this written as 2 into 2 theta. Cos 2 into 2 theta value 30 degrees. So cos 60 value 1 by 2. So option 4 correct. Option 4 correct. This question from 2008. Our target is the characteristic roots of the matrix. We know that the characteristic equation of the matrix delta of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Delta of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Delta of, so already from statement A matrix A given. So 1 0 0 2 3 0 4 5 6 minus lambda times of this unit matrix. Lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda. This is equal to 0. Okay. So let us do simplify. 1 minus lambda 0 0, 2 3 minus lambda 0, 4 5 6 minus lambda. This is equal to 0. So let us do simplify. This is 1 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda into that value plus minus plus 1 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda into 6 minus lambda is equal to 0. Now we got it, lambda value is 136. So option 1 correct. So look at the next question. This is question from 2008. A into adjoint A is equal to 5i given, where order is equal to 3 and data of adjoint A. So A into adjoint A, we know that det A into I formula. This is equal to 5i. So both sides I get cancelled on right cancellation law. Therefore det A is equal to 5. We know that data of adjoint A. So we have data of adjoint A is equal to det A power n minus 1. This is the formula. But n value given 3. So det A value 5, 5 power n minus 1. This is equal to pi square 25. Second option correct. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2008. A, B, two debts are given. Then find out the relation between A and B. So let us observe these two debts. In first debt, first column having A1, A2, A3. In second debt, second row having A1, A2, A3. So let us take transpose of this matrix. This debt. A is equal to, we have one formula, det P is equal to det P transpose. So data of this transpose A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Okay, clear? So A is equal. Now observe these two debts. In this third row having C1, C2, C3. In this first row having C1, C2, C3. So let us interchange any two debts, any two rows. So R2 replaced by R3. A1, A2, A3. Let us interchange R2 and R3. C1, C2, C3 and B1, B2, B3. The sign will be changed. That is the debt property. Again interchange first row and second row. So minus of minus 1, again sign will be changed. C1, C2, C3, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, write as it is. Okay. This is equal to minus 1 into, we interchange first row and second row. C1, C2, C3, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, this is nothing but B. Therefore A is equal to B, second option is correct. So look at the next question. This is from 2008 question. So A 2 by 2 matrix is given, then find out A inverse. We know that one formula, A is equal to ABCD. Then A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A. Okay, where det A is 1 by AD minus BC. So det A value AD minus BC, 1 by det A is 1 by AD minus BC into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, D minus B minus CA. Okay, what is our target? From statement A given 1, 2, 3, 4. So A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by, where ABCD value is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, AD minus BC, 4 minus 6 minus 2. D minus B minus CA. 1, 2, 3, 4 values, ABCD values. D. 4 minus 2 minus 3, 1. This is A inverse. Okay, which option is correct? First option is correct. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next part.